Searching the trusted interwebs today, we were looking for recipes on how to make garden fresh tomato soup. Unfortunately, most of the recipes that we found called for cans of diced tomatoes. So today we are going to make actual garden fresh, straight from our garden to our kitchen tomato soup. The recipe calls for 4 cups of chicken broth, 8 cups of tomatoes. Use 2 of our sweet yellow onions, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, Nature Seasons, a blend of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. And so step 1 is just to take the 4 cups of chicken broth over medium heat. And right now I'm dicing up 8 cups of tomatoes into about 1/2-inch chunks. So your chunks should look something like this. Add them to your broth, carefully cutting off all the bad ends. Keep everything nice and fresh in your soup. Saving the scraps for our chickens. They will love that treat today. Added flavor to our eggs, farm fresh eggs. Once you've got your tomatoes in your broth, the next step will be to dice and chop up your 2 onions, which are also from your garden. Take onions, dice them into nice and small pieces. Throw them right in with your tomatoes and broth. Onion number 2, chopped up. Add it. Give that a little stir. Just mix everything up. What you want to do with that is bring it to a boil. Once you bring it to a boil on medium heat, you'll turn it down and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until your preferred texture of your soup. While you're waiting on that, you can take your 4 tablespoons of butter, and in a small saucepan, you want to go ahead and melt that down. Now that our butter has been melted down, we are going to lightly whisk in our 4 tablespoons of flour into the butter. And we've still been waiting on our tomatoes and onions in the broth to come to a boil. And you just want to lightly whisk over a low heat until you get the nice brown look of your flour. Hopefully you can see that all right. We've got our soup now simmering for our 20 minutes. And all we're trying to do is break down the tomato to your preference at this point. And we'll continue to wait until our tomatoes cook down a little more. Once you've got it to the texture that you like, go ahead and leave it on a simmer. And this is when you will add your butter and flour paste. Just little by little, nicely stir it into your soup. You'll notice your soup will start to thicken. And this is also the best time to now take either your salt, and you can use sugar as well if you want it to be a little bit more sweeter in taste, but sugar does not do my body good, so I prefer to use Nature Seasons. So the recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of seasoning. It's starting to smell really lovely now. Nice slow steady stir. Garden fresh tomato chunky. Go ahead and grab a little spoon here. Oh, yes. So now, just make yourself a batch of some grilled cheese sandwiches. Ooh, dip and go, baby, dip and go.